Hello everyone, welcome to this short lesson. In this lesson, I want to show you how you can create an automatic border in Excel. Sometimes when you have your columns, you have a table like this, your header, you want to fill in data. So sometimes, in most cases, you are tempted to put in your border this way, but this is not really efficient. So let's see the best way to create automatic border in Excel. So what you can do is very simple. Just highlight your columns where you want to have the automatic border this way. If the columns are not much, the data you want to enter are not much, you can simply highlight shortly like this, or you can simply highlight from the top this way. In this case, all the rows in this column highlighted will be selected. What you can do after highlighting is to go to your conditional formatting and click on new rule. Just click on new rule. Now you have all this, so go to choose a formula to determine which cell to format, and in this formula value just click on it and click on the first cell in your header. Just click on it this way, and then you remove this $sign to remove the fixed, the absolute reference. Just simply remove it this way, and then click on format, and then here you have various format that you can do with the font size, the border, the field color. But since what we want is a border, so we simply click on the border, and then we select the outline this way, and then we click on OK, and then we simply click on OK. So now when you come to your data, your table this way, and then you press, let's say 1, you have an automatic border. 2, and then you just simply have it this way, and then it actually make your work very neat. And once you remove this number, let's say I deleted 4, the border simply disappear. You delete it, the border simply disappear. But once you put it again, the border automatically will continue to appear for as many as you want. This is how to create an automatic border in Excel. Thank you for watching. If you think that this tutorial is useful, come on, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.